Let's now animate these patrol troopers. I'm gonna select this track from here and let's unlock the sequencer. I'm gonna bring it into the sequencer and let's add the parameter of current position on rail. I'm gonna add a keyframe. Let's increase this value to 1 and I'll move to frame number 0. Let's bring this value down to 0 and I'm gonna select both of these keyframes and change the keyframe interpolation to linear. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we're gonna have to adjust the position of this track. So I'm gonna lock the sequencer. I'm gonna select this track and let's see. Yeah, first I'm gonna have to move this thing on y-axis and bring it back. I'm gonna now move this thing on x-axis as well. Let's see, to just about there. And I'm gonna move this thing back on y-axis to just about there, maybe perhaps a little bit more on x to just about there. Okay, let's now move to frame number 0 and I'm gonna select this point. Let me adjust my view and I'm gonna move this point on y-axis to just about there, maybe not, maybe a little bit more. Let's see, just about there perhaps. No, that is still not enough. Maybe somewhere around here, let's say. Let's enlarge this window. Yeah, maybe just about there. Let's split this window and let's play this animation. Perhaps I should select this track and then select this point and move it a little bit back on y-axis to just about there. And I'm gonna select this point and move this thing a little bit back to just about there, maybe. And I'll also select this track and move it on x-axis to just about there, perhaps. Yeah, maybe somewhere around here. Let's see. I'm gonna enlarge this window. Yeah, I think it looks good, but I just want to select this asset from here and delete it. And maybe I'll select and delete another one in the back. And let's see. I think I should select this track and move it on x-axis to just about there. Let's play this animation. Yeah, I think it looks good. Let's now animate the other one as well. I'm gonna select this track from here. I'm gonna unlock the sequencer and let's bring it into the sequencer. I'm gonna add the parameter of current position on rail. Let's add a keyframe. I'm gonna increase this value to 1 and let's move this playhead to 0. Let's bring this value down to 0 as well. And I'm gonna select both of these keyframes and change the keyframe interpolation to linear. Let's lock the sequencer and let me see. I'm gonna select this track and then select this point. Come on, there we go. And let's move it back on y-axis to just about there, maybe. Yeah, somewhere around here, let's say. And I'm gonna select, let me first move to frame number 0. I'm gonna select this point from here. And let's move it on y-axis to just about there. Let me see. I'm gonna enlarge this window and let's play this animation. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I think what I should do in here is to, let me see, select this camera or maybe the actor itself. I'm gonna select this actor and maybe I should rotate this thing fractionally like so. You're just about there. Let's play this animation. I'm gonna now select all these tracks. I'm gonna move them on x-axis to just about there maybe. Let's see. Perhaps that's a little bit too much. I'll just move it somewhere around here. Perhaps a little bit more. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, we'll animate the K5 droids. So I'll see you guys in the next one.